Hello and welcome to the demo video of the final project presentations. Here I have created a dashboard for the education project to display some information about education in New York. As you can see, I have 5 visualizations in this dashboard. We have the zoomable and panable map right here, a horizontal bar graph that is sorted by several metrics: education attainment, demographic, and income, as well as information for a selected zip code, the demographic, the education attainment, and income. First of all, let's explore the map. So the map is zoomable, so you can zoom into a specific part of New York and explore the education data for that area. In this map, we have created a color map from green to red, where the green zip codes represent the most educated zip codes in New York, whereas the reds are the least educated. So as you can see here, you have the most educated are the ones in New York City. The less educated are here up in the Bronx. So that kind of makes sense. So some user interactions in this graph includes sorting the zip codes by several metrics. For this purpose of the demo video, we'll sort by the education attainment. What this does is sorting the zip codes by the amount of population that have completed a bachelor's degree or any postgrad degrees. So let's click on one of these graphs. So as you can see, whenever a user clicks on the zip code value on this graph, it brings that zip code on the map. So this is the map that we're looking at. As you can see, the zip code has only 42 people in the population. It's made up of mostly Asians, African Americans, and Caucasian. And most of the people, all the people are postgrads. So it may be a university campus. So let's pick something more diverse. So let's click on this one. As you can see, this 10023 is right here with a population of 65,000. Again, it's mostly Caucasian people and Asian, and most people have completed a bachelor or postgrad, and most people are making a lot of money. Yes. So I guess the other user interaction would be that the user can also choose a zip code when you select on a map. So let's say we select a zip code on the map, like this one. This one takes a minute because it needs to process the data, but then after a minute, the data should pop up on the graph, as you can see right here. Yeah, so a user can select a zip code on the map or select a zip code through this rating. So let's go back to 10023. As you can see, this is one of the better off neighborhoods in terms of educations. And through this analysis of this dashboard, we can see that the more educated a zip code is, with like more higher education rates, the more likely they are to have a higher income. So in this case, more education, more income. Furthermore, for most cases, the more educated a zip code is, the more likely it is that the zip code is less diverse, or in other terms, that they are mostly made out of Caucasian, sometimes Asian people. So let's see a different zip code. Give it a second. See, as you can see right here, the education attainment for 10456 right here is very low. Most people have no degrees or only a high school degree. And with the analysis, they have lower incomes, and they also have more diversity rates with African Americans, Pacific Islander, and more. So yeah, and you can also filter with other metrics. So education attainment measures the amount of the population that have completed a bachelor's of or higher degree. Demographic rates the zip codes by the amount of Caucasian people they have, because I suspect that the more Caucasian people means a more educated neighborhood. For the more income, simply rates the income for the amount of population who makes 100K or more. So you can select any one of these, and it would pop up on the map. Yeah, so you can do that. You can also change the measures, how to measure these metrics, but these are the way that I did it. And yeah, I think I've learned a lot about education attainment. Specifically, three things from the dashboard. One is that we can see where the more or less educated neighborhoods are in the city, and we can also see how education attainment affects income level and demographic level. Yeah, thank you for watching. That's all.